Hey y'all, we're here at Lafayette Village in LaGrange, Georgia. This community is in an amazing location and features some great amenities, including an on-site laundry facility, a pavilion and picnic area, and a community garden. Today we'll be looking at a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look. Outside of each unit, you'll find a covered front patio. You'll step right inside to the spacious living room, the dining area, and the kitchen. Right off the kitchen, there's the pantry. Down the hall, you'll find a laundry room with washer and dryer connections, the full bathroom, and the bedroom featuring a large closet. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find the leasing office, the community room, and the laundry room. Outside, there's a community garden, a pavilion with picnic tables, and a grill area. Visit our website for more information.